Starting around 20 September 2023, Axie limitlessness is exchanging at $4.50 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.13% in essentially most recent 60 minutes, which in a real sense is very huge. Axie fundamentally has an essentially all-out market cap of $633,687,445, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $23,846,736 in an unpretentious manner. This fundamentally makes Axie boundlessness, Axie, especially positioning at 54 in the digital currency market, which most certainly is genuinely huge. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Axie limitlessness cost expectation end of 2023, what will Axie vastness certainly be extremely worth in 2023, or so they generally thought. Is Axie limitlessness an especially wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Axie's cost outperform its record-breaking high? For the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking, these certainly are our Axie limitlessness cost expectations for Axie's future in an exceptionally significant manner. Axie limitlessness, Axie's value expectation 2023. As per the Axie boundlessness estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Axie's cost in a real sense is supposed to explicitly cross a for the most part normal value level of $7.10, the normal really least value worth of Axie vastness. Toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to be $6.80, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Besides, Axie can truly arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $7.73, in an all things considered, huge way. Axie's value estimate August 2023, concerning August 2023, Axie vastness generally is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a very least value worth of $5.77, exhibiting how this especially makes Axie endlessness, Axie, especially positioning at 54 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. The Axie cost could fundamentally arrive at an in every practical sense greatest cost of $6.49, with the by and large normal cost around $6.31. Which really is very huge. Axie boundlessness value expectation September 2023. The cost of Axie vastness most certainly is in a real sense anticipated to in every practical sense reach at an especially least worth of $6.20 in September 2023 in an unpretentious way. The Axie cost could basically arrive at an in every practical sense greatest worth of $6.81. With the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $6.44 all through 2023 in a quite huge manner. Axie limitlessness, Axie, value expectation October 2023, concerning October 2023, Axie vastness cost generally is figure to sort of arrive at a flat-out least cost of $6.33, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Axie cost could arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $7.06. With the kind of typical expected cost around $6.57, which is genuinely huge. Axie limitlessness, Axie, value conjecture December 2023, for December 2023. The cost of Axie vastness generally is basically anticipated to really arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $7.10, while the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of $7.73 and a genuinely least of $6.80. Or so they for the most part thought. Axie endlessness past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been basically diminished by 0.75% in its fundamentally current worth, showing that besides Axie can essentially arrive at an especially greatest value level of $7.73 in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we explicitly think about the exceptionally current market cap of the Axie with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down. From sort of most recent 7 days, the Axie especially was in great vertical pattern, and expanded by 5.6% in an in every practical sense, significant way. A sheer vastness explicitly has shown areas of strength for extremely potential recently, and this could be for the most part great chance to sort of dive right in and contribute, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of Axies really diminished by 52.165%, killing an incredible essentially normal amount of $4.90 from its extremely current worth, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a by and large great truly purchase an open door for sort of fast speculation. Sort of additional appearance how a sheer endlessness truly has shown areas of strength for truly potential recently, and this could be genuinely great chance to in every way that really matters, dive right in and contribute, or so they essentially thought. The 90 days cost change basically is near 61.68%. And the cost truly flowed from a fundamentally at least genuinely normal cost of $10.80 to fundamentally greatest truly normal cost of $12.31 in the very beyond 90 days, exhibiting how a sheer endlessness generally has shown extremely in every way that really matters. Solid pretty potential of late, and this could be excellent chance to dive right in and explicitly put resources into an exceptionally significant way basically. A sheer boundlessness basically is somewhere near 32.39%, with the very greatest especially normal cost of the coin in a real sense was around $6.96, and the essentially least in every practical sense normal cost of generally was around $6.76 in truly beyond 4 months. Showing how discussing the in every way that really matters. Normal value axis can for the most part stretch around $6.83 for November in an in every way that really matters, huge way. A sheer boundlessness value estimate 2023 facts what will by and large be a sheer vastness truly worth in 2023, which sort of is very huge. The axis cost generally is gauged to especially arrive at a by and large greatest degree of $7.73. With kind of least cost of $6.80 toward the finish of 2023, so this unexpected down truly implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be a sort of good, really purchase an open door for sort of speedy venture. Pretty further appearance how a sheer boundlessness fundamentally has shown areas of strength for fundamentally potential recently, and this could be genuinely great chance to for the most part dive right in and contribute, which basically is genuinely huge. Does a sheer boundlessness basically have a future in an unobtrusive manner? As far as value, a sheer limitlessness explicitly has an extraordinary essentially potential to arrive at new levels, exhibiting that the axis cost in a real sense is gauged to fundamentally arrive at a truly greatest degree of $7.73, with sort of